Is your BMW 328i key fob not working? Let's troubleshoot the common issues. First, the most common culprit is the battery. The 328i key fob typically uses a CR2032 battery. If replacing the battery doesn't work, try resyncing the fob. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the car. Then press and hold the lock or unlock button. If neither of these fixes the issue, the problem might be with the car access system (CAS) module, which is more complex and may require professional diagnostics. If battery replacement and resyncing don't work, this CAS module may need reprogramming or replacement by a professional. This can cost between $500 and $1,000. Consider aftermarket programmable fobs as a viable replacement option. These are often cheaper than OEM parts. To maintain key fob health, avoid extreme temperatures and water exposure. As of 2025, digital key solutions via smartphone apps are becoming popular in newer BMWs, but for 328i owners, maintaining the physical fob is still essential.